Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Mailan Puspaningtyas. I'm from class A3 PGSD 2023 with NIM 230603115. Here I will present the results of my thesis proposal I made at the final semester exam, a 6 month for the English course for the scientific work of the lecture was given Miss Dr. Sri Nurhayati MKD. The title of my proposal, Development of Thinkwise Educational Game Media Based on Inquiry Learning with Gamification to Improve the Critical Thinking Ability of Students in Class 4 of Elementary School and Learning IPAS Material Style and Movement. There are some discussion. The first one, background, theory study, hypothesis, research methodology, implementation, and conclusion. 21. Why century education requires students to have forces skill, critical thinking, communication, and collaboration, and creativity. However, learning efforts in elementary school still faces several obstacles. Problem in the SDN Bogor Sigit. Learning media is still conventional and less interesting. The learning method is still teacher-centered. Lack of technology utilization in learning, students are more interested in social media and games than learning. Characteristic of words and motion material requires a deep understanding of the concept abstract and requires visualization. Students have a difficult understanding without the right media. Solution operate. The development of Thinkwise educational game media is based on inquiry learning with gamification using the Wordball platform to improve student critical thinking skill. There are some theoretical study. Theory 1, learning media. 1, communication between teacher and student. 2, delivering learning information effectively and efficiently. 2, stimulate students' thoughts, feeling, attention, and interest. Next, theory 2, educational games. Point 1, definition of educational content with games. Point 2, learning is fun and motivation. Point 3, students study without wrestling, they are learning. Theory 3, Wordball, web-based platform to create educational games. Active, interactive, game template available, easy to use without programming skills, can be accessed through the link without downloading the application. Point 4, inquiry learning, students sensors learning, students search and discover their own knowledge. Critical and analytical analysis process. 5, gamification, the ways of game element in learning increase student motivation and engagement. Next, hypothesis. Thinkwise educational game media based on inquiry learning with effective gamification improve the critical thinking ability of grade 4 elementary school students in IPAS learning about words and motion. Research method, research and development R&D with a deep model. Stage 1, analysis, analyze need and problem. 2, design, educational game media design. 3, development, product development and validation. 4, implementation limited and extensive trial. 5, evaluation, product evaluation and revisions. Research subject location in SDN Bogor Sigit, Cipatat, limited trial, teen grade for student. Next, implementation, Thinkwise media components, content, words and motion, material, definition, types of words, influence on motion application. Inquiry learning, integrate in the game of love, Orientation formulates a problem hypothesis, quality data, test hypothesis, and conclude. Next, gamification points level, which leaderboards, missions, challenge, and rewards. Technical worldwide with access via link Android, a computer equipped with audio, video, and animation. The last slide. Conclusion. I think with educational game media based on inquiry learning with gamification is proven to be very visible, very practical, and very effective to improve the critical thinking ability of students in grade 4 of elementary school in IPAS learning about force and motion. There was a very significant difference between the critical thinking skill of students who was think with media and students who did not use the media, with the experimental group showing a much higher improvement. This media can be an innovative solution in IPAS learning and contribute to the development of 21st century skill of elementary school students.